So the question came up in one of the Canvas labs of how to take a document in OneDrive and put it into Canvas. And the reason this person wanted this was because it was a document that she updated frequently throughout the semester, and she didn't want to have to keep putting it on Canvas. So you go to OneDrive and you click on the file, and we'll just use this file, writing the research paper, and you go to share. And when you see share, you see get a link, and I want to get the link that says view only because I don't want people to be able to edit the document. I copy that link, I go into the course, and I go to the module I want to add it to, and I click plus, and I drop down here to external URL, and then I paste that URL there, and I give it a name. And I unfortunately have to click load in a new tab or it won't load correctly, and then I click add item, and then there it is, and I can publish it, and my students can come in and they can click that, and it will bring them to the document, and there it is. Alright, there's another way to put it into Canvas where it's just embedded. And to embed a file, we have to kind of do a workaround since we're using OneDrive for Business. We go to Share, get a link. I'm going to grab that same link. I need to get the embed link, but for some reason OneDrive for Business doesn't give it, so there's a workaround. I'm going to open up another browser that I'm not logged into. I'm opening up Firefox. I'm going to paste that link, and it's going to bring me to my document. And now over here it's going to give me the option, these three dots, it's going to give me the option for an embed. Click that. I have the embed code. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to go back to my class, and I'm going to be able to go to pages and click plus page, and then where it says HTML editor, I'm going to click that, and I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to put writing the research paper, and the paper will show up right here. I will save it. And as you see, it automatically loads up in the paper. I can also add it into assignments. So let's say this is a research paper assignment. I can create a new assignment. We'll call this writing the research paper, and I'll go again into my HTML editor. I have that code still copied from the embed code. I'm going to put that there. Go back to my rich content editor. I can then say, please follow directions and write paper or something like that, or I don't have to write anything. And now that will be there, and every time I make any changes in my OneDrive, it'll automatically reflect inside of Canvas. Give it points, decide whether I want to send it to PowerSchool or not, whether or not I'm going to have students upload files or not submit anything, whatever the case may be, and then I can save that. And then when students click on the assignment, they'll see this, and they'll be able to look at the file. And so that is two ways to get documents from OneDrive onto Canvas so that students can see it.